Meaning of germination.
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 Germination. Germination refers to the process by which a seed sprouts into a new plant. During germination, a seed absorbs water and nutrients from the soil, causing the embryo inside to grow. The root emerges first, anchoring the plant, followed by the stem and leaves. Germination is a crucial step in the life cycle of a plant, as it allows for the growth and reproduction of new individuals. Successful germination requires optimal environmental conditions, including appropriate soil moisture, temperature, and light levels. In summary, germination is the beginning of a plant's life, and a critical event in the growth of any plant species.